the next couple of pages, you're probably going to say, well, that sucks. And you're absolutely right, but I do have a solution, so bear with me. When you're displaying an element in the array, now by the way, notice it says the long way, you can only display it by each and every individual element. And that's what sucks. There's no way to display the entire array in one line. If you did C out of set soda price, that was the name of one of the previous, it basically won't display the entire array. Matter of fact, what it'll do is actually display the location and memory that array starts off. You're welcome to try it. So what you're going to have to do for now, not too long, is you would have to do a C out, which you've done before, the name of the array, the index number that you wanted, and you don't have to have endl at the end of that, but just makes it end line, but it might make it nicer on how it appears on the screen. But you would have to do that for every single item in the array. Now again, if an array is meant to be for something rather large, that's going to be a heck of a lot of cout statements. And again, I'll get to a shortcut here in a minute. So how many cout statements would you need to display the entire array of 150 elements? You would need right now, with your current knowledge, you would need 150 cout statements. And that's ludicrous. And that's why we got the next part coming up. And now you know I'm tying in for loops here in a moment as well. And why must we place values in the array before we display them? There's garbage, number one. Number two, you actually will display something, but it won't make sense. And that's why you're going to see me put values in them right off the bat, or some default value, because your arrays are going to have some values as soon as you create them, but it's garbage. When you print them out, it just won't make sense. You'll think you did something wrong when you didn't. So that's why we want to place values in the array before we want to display them, because otherwise it's going to be garbage.